how to remove and delete a movie or a film from your watch list on IMDb on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to IMDb. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here, click on your watch list. This is my watch list, as you can see. I have 6 movies right here, and I want to delete, for example, let's say this one. All what you have to do is simple. Click on edit and choose the movie that you want to delete, for example this one, and go to the top and click on delete, and it's gone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.